Forget Elon Musk, Germany's about to launch its own rocket. Isar Aerospace, a Munich-based startup, is on the verge of making history with the first-ever orbital launch from Western Europe. For years, European nations have relied on other countries for space launches, but Isar Aerospace is changing the game. Their upcoming test flight signifies a massive leap forward for Germany's space program and the entire European Union, promising cheaper and easier access to space for research, businesses, and government projects. While the exact details are still under wraps, the excitement is electrifying. A successful launch will not only boost Germany's international presence but will also inspire a new generation of European scientists and engineers. Get ready to witness a truly exciting moment in European space history. The countdown has begun.